Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing yoga for when you have cramps because of your period and all of that. So first we're going to come into Bhadrasana. Now if your knees are really high, you can place something under your glute so that automatically your legs will come a little low, okay, and you'll feel more relaxed. Now we're just going to stay here. As we stay here, we're going to flap your butterfly wings. It's called butterfly in English, okay, so we're going to flap. We're going to just stay here so you feel like this muscle is opening out. Keep breathing. Stay 5, 4, breathe, inhale, exhale, 3, 2, you want to remember breathe throughout, 1, release. From here, we're going to come forward and we're going to just stretch. As we stretch, you're going to gently, because we want to work gentle with our body because our body is delicate at this time, okay. So you want to also respect and honor our body at this point of time. So from here, we're going to take the leg. As we take the leg up, we're going to just drop the leg down, 1 and come up. That's all we're doing. 2 and come up. Again, working this area, 3 and up as per your comfort, 4 and up. Last one, 5. You're going to stay here. You're going to take your hand to your thigh, gently push your thigh down. Stay 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to come back up. Again, straighten and gently push. Now from here, you're going to take the left leg and you're going to go down. 1 and up. You can take your right hand as support and place it down. And up. 3, keep breathing, and up, 4 and up. Last one, 5. Hand to your thigh, gentle. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you're going to come back up, straighten, shake the leg out, okay. 3, 2, 1. You're going to come up. Now as you come up, you're going to take the distance of your mat. As you take the distance of your mat, you're going to move your glutes slightly forward. As you do this, palm facing forward, you're going to drop the leg down to the side. Oh, you should feel it on your inner thighs. Come 1 and up. Side again. 2 and up. If your knee is not touching the floor, don't worry, just stay gently. 3 and up. 4, again we are working leg muscles here, and up. 5, you're going to stay on one side. Stay 5. Keep breathing. 4. If you find it comfortable, try and get both the knees on your floor. Relax, okay. 2, 1, come back up. Last side, 6 and stay here. 5. Can you see my left is slightly higher? It's okay. You want to be gentle, and when you're comfortable, it'll come back down. Inhale. Exhale, push down. 2, 1, come back up. From here, you're going to just gently, all we're going to do is just hug your legs, okay. Just gently hug your legs, activate the spine. So now you're going to hunch, protract. So now you're going to protract your shoulders. You're going to take your shoulders away from your ears, okay, and come back in just to activate your shoulders. Up and up, out and in. This is 3. Out and in. 4. Last one. Out and in. So you feel it in your spine. 5, you're going to stay here. 5, just stay, relax. 4, it's very simple, no hard movements. 3, 2, 1, you're going to come back. From here, we're going to come into our fours, and as you come onto your fours, you're going to relax, okay. We're going to come into cat-cow, okay. Now, we are gently, first we're going to use the whole spine. So, inhaling, arch, going to look up, oh, breathe, exhale, hunch, protract your shoulders. Just 2 more. Inhale, arch, look up, let the tailbone arch, exhale, hunch, push, protract your shoulders. Last one. Inhale, arch, look up. I'm going to stay here. 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3. If you feel comfortable, you can look up. If there's too much pressure on your neck, you can look back center. 1. Exhale, hunch, protract your shoulders. You're going to keep looking at your belly button. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, you're going to come back, okay. Now all we're going to do is only work the lower spine, okay. So you're going to, so do not give way into your chest, don't do that. You want to just again neutralize your spine. From here, just your lower back. 1 and inhale. 2 and 3, only the lower spine, and 4 and 5, breathe, arch, stay 5, 4, 3, only the lower spine, 2, 1. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to stay here and move your both your hips to the right side, and you're going to try and look at your right hip and come back. Keep that arch. Left and back, right and back, left and back. Let's do 2 more. Right, crunch a little bit and come up. Left and come up. From there, you're going to come back to neutral. From here, we're going to come and work on your mid spine, okay? Inhale, exhale. Inhaling, so you're working, inhale, arch, so you're not letting go of your lower back, okay? You're going to arch, try and arch your thoracic and hunch your back. Arch the thoracic, it's a little bit more tricky, and come up. Arch and up, arch and up. Last one. Arch and up and stay down. Stay 5, 4. So you feel the mid of your spine or your thoracic. 3, 2, 1. Come back neutral. From here, we are only going to work your cervical, okay? So you're going to arch and up. Try and keep everything else together. Only your shoulder blade area. 4 and up. Last one, 5. Stay 5, 4. Take the tailbone in. 3. Engage your core. Don't let anything loose. 2, 1 and release. Okay. Again, now we're going to relax and we're going to do the same thing. You're going to arch your back a little bit and up. The whole thing again. Arch and up. You should feel your spine. 3 and up. 4, 5. Relax. Stay here. Chin to chest. Stay 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come. We're going to go side again. 1 and up. 2 and up. 3 and up. 4 and up. 5 and up. Last one. 6 and down. From here, you're going to take your hands forward. As you take your hands forward, we're going to relax in puppy so that our shoulder blades stretch out. Inhale, exhale down. Stay 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're going to come back and we're going to sit, lie down. As we lie down, we're going to come, inhale, exhale. You're going to just take your shoulder blades towards each other. From here, you're going to take your hands. Again, we're stretching out the shoulders now, okay? So, inhale, exhale, lift up 1. And we're going to just stay here. 10, keep breathing. 9, as much as you can. 8, 7, relax everything. 6, 5. You can move your head side to side so that your neck is also relaxed. 2, 1 and release. From here, we're going to lie down on our back, and from here, all we're going to do is you're going to bend your knees. As you bend your knees, you're going to open the hip. As you open the hip, you're going to flex your foot. As you flex the foot, you're going to take your hands, place it here. Okay, now very gently, we're going to stay this happy position. I wonder why. Inhale, breathe. Stay 10. Keep breathing. 9. You want to gently just stay. 7. If you can't hold, you can wrap something around and hold it. 3, 2, 1. From here, you're just going to push your knee to the right side. 1 and up. Left knee to the left side. 2 and up. We're just doing 6 of these. 3 and up. Try not moving the opposite hip up. You want to keep it down. 4. Oh, feel your inner thigh and up. Last one. 5 and up. 6 and up. From there, you want to get both your knees. Inhale, exhale, push down. Oof, as much as you can. Stay 5. You feel that tension from your pelvis opening up. 3, 2, 1. Come back up. From here, you're going to bend your knees together as much as you can. And in the same Bhadrasana, you want to try and pull your feet to your chest as much as you can. 5, 4. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. We're going to release. We're going to just hug our legs. Okay. Pavan Muktasana Purna. Inhale. Exhale. Stay 10. If you feel like your neck you can take your neck or your head or your chin up here. Otherwise, if you feel too much tension right now, don't. 2, 1. From here, we're going to do again a lower back twist. You're going to take your hands under your head. Okay. Now, as you take your hands, remember you want your elbows down flat on the floor. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my right leg like as if I'm going to be doing Garudasana, and I'm going to wrap it around behind the left, okay? And I'm going to come forward. Now, as I come forward, inhale, exhale, I want to drop my right knee to my left side. Now, as I do this, I want to look onto the opposite side. You should feel, oh, so good, your lower back. Feel that stretched. 3. Keep breathing. 2. 1. You're going to come back out. As you come back up, we're going to change legs, okay? So remember, keep your hands the way it is. Your left leg, wrap around the right. Now, inhale, exhale. We're going to take up, push the hips slightly. Again, both your shoulder blades on the floor. And drop. You want to look. Oh, did you hear my back crack? Stay 5. Oh, so good. 3. You can close your eyes. 2. Keep breathing throughout the lower back. 1. Come back up. And release. From here, we're going to just relax. You're going to take, now I'm going to keep my hands here so that you can see my lower back, okay? So we're going to arch. So as you arch, can you see my hand is coming through? And then you're going to squeeze your hand, not my hand, try and squeeze your own hand. So you're going to arch and 2. Arch and now squeeze. Engage your lower back, your tailbone. 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 5 more. So all that lower back pain, last 5 is going to reduce. 3, 2, 1. Breathe. You're going to squeeze and stay here. Now breathe. Stay 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. The last stretch for today, you're going to stay here and we're going to just open, and all we're going to do is just open and pulse this down. Again, try not arch your back because the pressure and the pain is going to come here. You want to try and take and push your pelvis down into the floor, okay? Can you see? Pelvis wants to push into the floor, okay? So I'm going to stay back here so you can see my back. And from here, all we're going to do is pulse, and we're going to stay. We're going to pulse 10. Gently keep breathing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. You're going to stay. You're going to come back. As you come back, you're going to come onto the side. As you come onto the side, you're going to come back up, okay? So we're going always into the floor, down and to the side, and down and coming up, so that again your lower back or any part of your back does not act up, okay? So thinking about it, it's not only for humans who have their period and have cramps, but it's for anyone who has lower back pain, yeah? So maybe I'll put that as the title. Anyway, till I see you next time, practice daily, stay safe, stay humble.